Morning guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to take us through the trade that I took this week from Monday, which was yesterday, to this morning. For a while I've not been able to post because of and due to network issues here in my area. I've been having serious network issues, so sometimes I have to change locations or put my phone on flight mode, come back before I can even have access to good network. But this is what happened on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY has actually been going down for quite some time, and then I've been taking sell positions several times. I took this and this, and then at this place yesterday I decided to take a sell because price came back to touch my zone here. I didn't take any trade here because of the movement and the momentum. Let me try to zoom. I didn't take any trade here. So when I get here, the reason why I took this particular trade was because on getting to my zone here, I had this break of structure on the 5-minute time frame. So on it coming back to retest, I decided to take a sell. So if you see here, you will see that, sorry, if you check here, you will see that I have another block that I marked here. So when price came into my other block, came down, I decided to take this trade here and then put my stop loss above that other block. Then I got taken out immediately. I got taken out. Then price came back again to mitigate my zone. It came back again to mitigate my zone. Then came down, break this structure on 5-minute time frame, came back to retest, and then I already had my other block here to marked out. So immediately price came back. I started going in profit, though it took time. This particular trade took time, but to God be the glory. I came out in profit early this morning, and that is it. Then GBP has also been pushing down, and then yesterday I had my sell limit that didn't get triggered yesterday, and then this was the trade I entered on Friday. Then yesterday I had this sell limit here. I was expecting when price broke this structure to the downside, I was expecting this pullback to get at least to this point, because here became my swing high. So I was expecting price to come at least this point before coming down, but instead it just kept coming down and down. So I could not take this trade because price did not get to my entry yesterday, and then it kept pushing down. So currently I have a plan of taking a buy trade from this level, but I'm not going to be taking this trade. I have a plan of taking a position from this place, but I'm not going to be taking this trade. First, this is a zone on 4-hour time frame. This is another broke. Then here now, if I go to the reason I will take this trade is if I go to my 5-minute time frame, there's swing low and lower low, lower high here. So I'm just going to wait for price to break here. If this price can break here to the upside, then retest, I'll be taking a buy, except that I'm not taking any trade. So I'm just going to put a trend line here like this here. So I'm expecting price to break it to the upside, if possible break through it to this level and then come down. On a retest, I'll be taking the buy, except that I'm not doing anything about it. I'll just wait to see if there is any better structure that will help me take a trade. And then my next pair is GBP, sorry, Euro AUD. Euro AUD just betrayed me few minutes ago. I took this sell and then boom, it took me out without a second thought. It took me out. So, and then yesterday the same thing happened. Yesterday I took this position here and then it took me out. Then this is the one that gave me profit. It was this one that gave me profit. I took this trade here. Let me go back to the 15-minute time frame. Who is the one that gave me profit yesterday? I took this trade here. Price came to touch my zone there, came down and then broke this structure. Retested, came down, break here. So I had a small scalping position here that went into profit. And then when price came down, it came back again to test. I decided to follow it down. But then I came out this one on break even, because the reason why I came out was because when price started pushing down at this place, this market came up here to break the structure here. So immediately it came to break this structure. I was like, okay, it's obvious that pullback is coming, but I wasn't interested in waiting for the pullback. Like, I wasn't interested to give out my profits back to the pullback to around this level or anywhere. So I decided to come out at this level, and then after that it went up. So when it went up, I thought it was coming down, and then I decided to take the entry, and after that I got taken out. The same thing happened here. This is my other block. It came down. I thought it was coming back up. It went up. So now I'm not going to take any entry until we get to this zone. So at this zone, I will see if I can see a trade to the downside. So that's all for my trades for this week. For yesterday and today. So for now, I'll just wait and see what will happen.